let's talk about something I see a lot with faith-led entrepreneurs. They ask God for direction. They ask the universe for direction. And they wish that he would give them the full plan. Wouldn't we love to have a 5-year roadmap, be told what to do? But that's not how it works, unfortunately. But what kind of adventure would it be if it was, right? If you really think about it. We want, I don't know, this gets us stuck all the time. We want the blueprint. We want the step-by-step strategy. We want stuff that will work for us, and we want to know it'll work. And that's why we're always looking for new strategy, because we're like, oh, maybe this one will work. Oh, maybe that one will work. And we're constantly sifting through things without actually consistently following through. But what he actually does is he doesn't give you the whole plan. He doesn't give you the blueprint. He gives you the next step. Never the entire staircase. Oh, just the step in front of us. Have you ever wondered why this might be intentional? Why he does that? Well, I have some ideas, a couple words in front of me. Maybe he wants us to trust him. Maybe he wants our faith to grow. Maybe we need to learn some resilience, patience, persistence. Maybe we need to learn wisdom. Maybe we're not wise enough to step into or have a saying that if he can trust you with the little things, he can trust you with bigger things. And I have found that I had a lot of growing to do in order to have the things. I've heard of people who get things too quick. They don't have the wisdom to deal with it. How many lottery winners sink into depression and debt or lose everything? You hear those stories all the time. Maybe we have to develop some character so that we can handle what comes at us, because there's more responsibility. You have to steward all of that stuff, all of the things that come to you. And maybe you have to grow into what you're called to do. And what an adventure we have, right? I always say that. I think it's an adventure. And I think that it's a never ending, just learning and growing, glory on glory, right? So you don't need the entire path to get started. You just need the next step. What is the next step? You probably already know. You probably don't need to even meditate on it and say and ask. But if you don't know, then ask. It might rise up within you and you might be like, oh, I did know that. So the thing I want you to take away in this short video is you don't need the whole plan to just start walking. Take that step, whatever it is. So let me know in the comments. Do you like to have a full plan? I know I do. I have a content vault that I happen to be riffing off of, except that these other ideas popped up that I'm like, oh, I guess I'm going to record these and not the stuff in my plan anyway. So I'm a planner. And how comfortable are you taking that next step? Do you need help taking that next step?